How to view sent follow request lists on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to export your data to see all the follow requests you've sent on your Android device. First, open Instagram on your Android device and tap your profile at the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right to open Settings, then tap Account Center. From there, tap Your Information and Permissions, then tap Export Your Information. This will open an in-app browser where your data export is managed. After that, tap Create Export and select your Instagram account. Tap Export to Device, then tap Customize Information to choose exactly what data gets included in the export. At this point, tap Clear All to deselect everything, then scroll down to the Connections section and only select Followers and Following. This keeps the export small and focused on what you need. Once done, tap Save, then tap Date Range, set your preferred range, and tap Save again. Go back and tap Start Export. Instagram may ask you to enter your password to verify your identity before the export begins. Once the export is ready, you'll receive a notification. Open the file, and inside you'll find a record of all the follow requests you've sent, including the ones still pending. Keep in mind, depending on how much data your account has, the export may take a few minutes to process before it's ready to download. And that's it. If this guide helped you view your sent follow requests on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.